All right, here we go. Serious operation. The pump is being remounted on the truck. Anytime the crane gets involved, it's a serious operation. Okay, what do you want me to do, Jason?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Yeah,
Okay. If you need me to do something, just yell. All right, up goes the crane. Or the pump, I should say, with the crane. Serious operation here. The Jag is going to back the pump unit, or sorry, back the truck underneath the pump. I'll get it right, trust me. I will get it right. Here it comes. Take the pump a little bit over to the passenger side here, or the driver's side, I should say. Take it that way? Yeah. There we go. Okay, you want them back now? Okay. Can I bring them back? Pretty good? How are you back there?
Pretty good.
Okay, I think when he comes down, the front will line up here too.
Yeah, this is line.
Is that perfect? Okay.
This is good. Yeah. Go down.
All right, we're on. Lines are good, everything's good. You're good on your side? Oh, do you got to wiggle a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay, you got the pin for that one?
So let's put this in.
You want to put that one in first, then wiggle, or what? I think if we hammer it in...
Ask him to lift up a touch. Just a touch up.
I think you're off to the side a bit is the problem. Yeah. Get a pry bar and just bump it a bit to this side. Jason, you got a pry bar? Pry bar, yeah. Well, you got to get over that way a bit though.
Pull it back this way.
Okay. Yeah, we just got to get it over a tiny little bit.
Pry bar there.
Yeah. Okay, go on that side and pry right in between there. Just bump it over a bit. I'll say when. Okay, pry. A little bit. Yeah, got it. Okay.
Get it in. From bottom.
Here. Yeah. one's in. Yep. Lock this down. Okay. How's that one? You got it?
That's it. Yep.
Okay. How's the front? Come down. You're gonna come down a bit. Good, okay. Let's see.
Eyeball.
Why is that pin so sloppy? Try that one.
Which pin?
The other one in your hand. The one you put in there is too small, it's loose. Sloppy pin. I know there's one spot where it didn't fit so good. Is that the one? Do you have to hammer it or what?
A hammer.
Okay.
A hammer.
Okay, I'll get you a hammer. Jason, you got a hammer? Hammer. Oh. Oh, you got it.
This
There you
back
go.
side.
There you go, alright. And safety pin.
Where's the pin?
Beautiful. Other side. Other side and okay.
Scotty.
Yeah.
Twist this pin.
Okay. Roll her under.
Yeah, it just. Hold on.
Okay. And last pin.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
That's good.
Okay, throw us the other retaining pin.
Here.
Roll it under. There we go. And then we see the safety pin on that. Easy. Grab a safety pin. Throw a safety pin in that. And then we just gotta hook up the lines, get the crane away. So those are the water lines there? Which ones are you getting?
Yeah, just
Okay.
for the tank heater.
Yeah, those are the okay. Oh, those are tank heater lines.
Good.
Let's go, okay. And the ones on the other side are actually for the pump, right?
For the
For the roller, yeah, the
water
roller
pump.
Yeah. So on the other side, we'll run that roller pump right there. And they go to. So I see the one,
Tony, you
the
wanna
female connection. Where's the male connection?
you leave the shackles in or take them off?
take them out. Yeah.
So that one goes to the female. Where's the male in there?
The lines are all.
Oh, it's down below. The female connect, the quick connect.
There's 3 lines.
Oh, there's 3. Oh,
Yeah. One
okay.
of them's
Okay.
like a bypass light.
Okay. So you got the lines for the water pump on this side, and they run off the agitator circuit. Valving right here. And then the lines on the other side, those are actually water tank heater. So hot water from the from the pump engine to the tank, and then the water from the tank, the pump, that all stays on the truck. The only thing that detaches from the truck is the hydraulic supply to turn that pump. But that's it. So Tony's just going to climb under and connect up these lines here. They connect to some feed lines, which are buried a little further underneath. Here, look at that. Tighter.
Make sure they're not going to rub on anything.
So there you go. That's all the lines back in place. The lines for this side are the hydraulic lines from the agitator circuit to run the water pump. And the water pump is mounted over here on the chassis of the truck. It's a roller style water pump. And the two lines for the hot water tank heater. The water tank's right behind the cab there, coming off of the pump engine. You connect those up too. You got your tank right in here, and the heating element right there. Sorry, right there. A little better angle. That's it right there. Anyhow, that's how we attach and detach this thing from the pump for service. Also for jobs where there's not room for the truck or they want to fly it up onto a high rise, feed it with a crane, a bucket, whatever. All kinds of applications. We'll fly it off and land it on these legs, and you can do what they want with it for the day. But very versatile setup. Like I said, it attaches and removes quite easily. So there you go. That's how you quickly detach and reattach a high pressure little trailer pump from a Isuzu NRR chassis. You know how it goes. One of these, one of those. Catch you on the next one.